Hey guys, this is Julio. Welcome to SciTech. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. And today I wanted to give an update as to what has happened since I've ordered my Model 3. If you haven't checked out that video yet, make sure to guys go back. I'll have it tagged up here, the previous video of me ordering the Model 3, as well as the description below, so you guys can check that out and then come back to this video. But basically on June 10th, I already had everything ready to get my Model 3 picked up on June 14th. But to my surprise, I actually got something on June 13th from Tesla. It was an email from Tesla, and it basically said that there was an invoice that I needed to sign in order to get repairs started. Why? I haven't picked up my car. It's June 13. I'm supposed to pick up my car June 14. What's going on? So I went to the invoice that Tesla provided, and it basically said that my left rear door and my right rear door had both mispaint on it. And I was like, oh my gosh, already getting a headache and I haven't even gotten the car yet. It's June 13. I'm supposed to pick up the car June 14, which is the next day. And this is what happened. So I wanted to give them a call, figure out what's going on. Luckily, the invoice said it was coming out to $0, but I still didn't want to sign it just because I don't have the car. I don't know what's going on. Nobody explained to me anything. So luckily, they beat me to the punch and called me. At first, there was a Tesla representative saying if I can confirm that I'll be available tomorrow for the pickup date, and I said yes, even though this happened. And then they told me they had good news and bad news for me. The bad news was that there was mispaint in both of my rear doors and that it wouldn't be ready for tomorrow. So then they told me that the good news is that they have another car with the same configuration as the one that I ordered that would be ready for tomorrow, and that one didn't have any mispaint. So it's basically getting the same car. The only thing they told me that was newer was the VIN. Because it was a later VIN, technically it was created a little bit later. So because the VINs were changed, the only thing I had to do on my end was that they told me that I had to call my Tesla insurance and tell them that Tesla was swapping my cars with another VIN number so that my insurance can be updated and I can drive the car out of the lot. So that's exactly what I did. I called the agent, they swapped the VINs real quick. They said it would take about 3 hours to update, but in 1 hour it was done. So with my Tesla having a new VIN and my insurance updated with that new VIN, everything's ready for June 14 once again. But okay, what did I think from all this? I think it was a good move from Tesla catching the error beforehand and telling me about it, giving me another car, rather than just giving me a car that they knew had a problem and would just try to pass it on. So that was really good of them. But now the bad side of it. It's been 3 years since they've been producing the Model 3. Usually quality control improves and there's been articles about it. But now definitely that makes me question how the quality is going to be of my car once I get it. So definitely this will make me check out the car a lot more once I receive it. I'll especially be looking at the rear doors to make sure that the paint is good. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what has happened right before delivery date. So if you guys want to go through my journey on delivery date, please subscribe so that you guys are aware when I drop the next video. Like I mentioned before, I also plan on doing a giveaway soon. Right now I'm thinking some AirPods or the Galaxy Buds, but no idea what it'll exactly be yet. But in the comments, you guys can let me know what you guys are interested in, or also what you guys think about Tesla sending me this invoice before I got the car. But once again, thank you guys so much. Please subscribe so that you guys are aware of the next videos I post. And until then, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.